Have you ever broken a shovel and then thought to yourself, if Tom Bombadil were to fix this shovel, how would he do it? Now, as you see me working on this, there's probably a couple of questions that are going through your head right now. Like, why doesn't his draw knife have any handles on it? Or you might be wondering, what kind of insane person would spend 2 hours of their lives making a handle for a shovel out of a stick when you can buy a new handle for $10 from the hardware store? Or you might be wondering who would spend 2 hours making a handle out of a stick for a shovel when you can buy a new shovel for $12 from a hardware store. Well, those are all pretty good questions. The answer to most of them is that I am poor. Would it probably be worth my time to just go buy a new handle? Probably. But, oh well, I felt like doing it. Doing it makes me happy. I like making stuff. It'll be a conversation starter. No one is going to have a shovel. No one's going to have a cottagecore shovel like I will. Everyone else has smooth, easy to use handle shovels. No. I want my handle shovel to be covered in bumps and knots. I want my shovel to look like a shovel Tom Bombadil would use. That's what I want. So I did actually get a little bit ahead of myself with the sanding. I went ahead and sanded most of this smooth with 80 grit. I'm going to go back over it again with 120. But before I finish up, I still need to finish tapering the end of this to actually be able to fit in the shovel.